Here I am taking out this type of female USB port from old mobile charger PCB, and you can also note the terminal connection from this PCB. This is linear voltage regulator, and I have attached heatsink to it, and if you connect 5 to 35 volt at the input of this regulator will output constant 5 volt. And this is bridge rectifier, and this component is optional. And the advantage of connecting this bridge rectifier to our circuit is if you connect this bridge rectifier, then you don't have to think about the polarity of input wires, because this will direct the input voltage to the right terminal of the regulator. You have to carefully connect positive of the input to the input of the linear regulator. Now let's connect all the components according to the circuit diagram as shown. Here I have connected all the components. It's the nice looking sunny day with. Let's place our solar panel here and take the output wire to the home. This is the output from solar panel. Now let's connect this to our 5 volt regulator. The indicator is on. Let's connect the USB. It's charging. Now let's check this bridge rectifier is doing its job or not. Let's connect the input wires first in the one direction. The indicator is on. Now let's change the polarity. Again the indicator is on. This means no matter how you connect the input wires, the regulator is always going to work.